Dear students, welcome to introductory class of rational numbers. Rational numbers are the numbers which are expressed in the form of p by q and q is not equal to 0. At the same time, p and q are real numbers. That part we will discuss a little later when you come to the upper classes. As of now, p by q, all the numbers in the form of p by q and q not equal to 0 are called as rational numbers. Let's take an example. 3 by 4. 3 by 4 is a rational number because 4 is not equal to 0, q is not equal to 0, q is equal to 4, and hence we call it as a rational number. A rational number when p by q is taken into account, and one more, say m by q. Now m by q is one rational number and p by q is another rational number. When two rational numbers of the same denominator are being added, what we normally do is keep the denominator as it is, that is q, and add the numerators, that is p plus m. Now p plus m divided by q is again called as a rational number. Therefore, we can come to a beautiful conclusion here. Addition of rational numbers is a rational number itself. Therefore, we come to a property of the rational numbers to state that addition of rational numbers is always rational. Let us take an example to explain this. Suppose we have 3 by 5 as one rational number, plus we take another 7 by 5 as another rational number. Denominators are same, therefore we keep the denominator as it is. Whereas add the numerators, that is 3 plus 7. This is equal to 10 by 5. 5 ones are 5 twos are cancelled, that is equal to 2. So the addition of the rational numbers is discussed in this concept. It will be very helpful to understand about the LCM and HCF of the numbers. The LCM and HCF of the numbers will help us solving lot of problems in mathematics. LCM is least common measure and HCF means highest common factor. That is, supposing we take 5 and 10. 5 and 10. Which is the least number that divides both of these two? Which is the least number that divides both of these two? That is, 5 is divisible by 5 and 10 is also divisible by 5. The other way of talking is 5 is equal to 5 into 1, it can be written, and 10 is equal to 5 into 2. What is the common number that has come now? 5 and 5. The common number, when you write the factors of the given numbers here, the common number is called as HCF, the highest common factor. The highest common factor that divides both of these two, or a number which is the highest number which divides both 5 and 10, is called HCF of those two numbers. To explain it, if A and B are two numbers and C is their LCM, then both A and B are having C in them, so that both of them are divisible by C. That is, A divided by C is also possible, which is a perfect number. That is a whole number. And similarly, B by C also gives a whole number. Then C is called as the HCF of both A and B. That is the example here. Similarly, LCM means the least common measure of both of these two. That is, how we do is, take the common number first and write the other uncommon factors. 1 and 2 are uncommon factors. Multiply these two. 5 into 1 into 2. First take common factor and then take uncommon factors. Multiply all this to get the LCM of the given numbers. That is, 5 into 1 is 5, 5 into 2 is 10. That is how we find the LCM and HCF of given numbers.